Those trees look really good against the blue sky again.
Yeah.
Used to love taking photos like that when I was doing a lot of photography.
Ah.
Especially in England, because you get, you know, they have a lot of flowering trees and bushes over there.
Ah.
Because they used to go all over the world looking for different bushes, and they've got a lot of rhododendrons in there, and they'll only just grow in England.
Oh, that's the name of Mom's bushes, rhododendrons.
Ah. Well, there's the sun market at Books Place. Getting the lions from over here as well. There's some really nice flowers in here.
Yeah.
These little green ones are quite interesting. They had something similar to that in North Carolina, only they were bigger, yeah. I've always been a big fan of these plants with the red leaves. Oh yeah, have to get this. Guess they're going down the street.
Yeah.
It was interesting. Oops, wrong way. could go and take a look at the church if you like. You want to take a look at the church?
If you want to.
Or is there anything else you'd like to look at?
Well, I was just interested in that bookshop.
Okay.
Thing next to it called the Writer's Room.
Okay, let's go across there then.
I figure it's just stationaries, but might be something else.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called the Writer's Room or the Right Stuff or something, but it's spelled right as in right on paper.
Ah.
And the right down.
This is kind of an interesting place. Although it's empty. Maybe it's the wrong time.
I'm gonna check the door, see when they're open.
Yeah. Probably get out of the way of the runners here. They're going at a fair speed as well.
Yeah.
In fact, they might be out of view, yeah. I wonder if this is all one shop then. Because you've got San Marco books and all more. Yeah, that's a bookshop.
Want to go in now, or do you want to finish filming the street?
We'll just finish filming. Just see. Can you see when it closes? It doesn't really say, does it?
Upcoming events.
Yeah, we'll walk down to the end of the street and then come back, and then we'll just go in there. At least he's got that ladder bolted up. There's the Firehouse Subs.
Oh yeah, that's where we used to eat when we come down
Yeah,
here.
it's a long time since we came down here just on a regular basis.
Yeah.
I guess once it started getting hotter, we stopped coming down.
Yeah. Do you want to get that circle a little bit?
Oh yeah, good idea. Yeah, I don't think we'll
There's a
cross.
statue there or something, I think. It's cenotaph.
Oh, yeah. Huh. Let's get it from here. That way I won't be shining right at the sun. Okay, I'm going to turn back actually because I think it's. Yeah, we'll check out the bookshop in a minute. Let me check out how long this video is running for as well. It's 9:53 at the moment. It's not too bad.
roof got ripped off.
Oh wow, is that why that's up there?
Yeah, if you look up, there's no roof.
Ah,
See, this
know.
one has a roof, but they don't.
Yeah,
So it
look,
must have
there's a
gotten
little
ripped
bit,
off
yeah.
in the storm.
can't even do it that way because the light's so strong. Oh, look at this little statue.
It's like a little Halloween store.
Yeah. We just passed the bookshop, didn't we? Or is it?
Right side.
Okay. That's the writing part of it. That might be the bookstore just ahead, actually. Yeah, we'll just zip in there a minute. Have a look at it.